If you've ever forgotten a password saved in Google Chrome, you're not alone. It happens all the time, especially when you rely on Chrome to remember logins for so many websites and apps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find forgotten passwords in Google Chrome step by step, so you can quickly recover the login you need without stress. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know how to open Password Manager, search for the right site, and reveal the saved password safely. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps its settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will open a new page with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the left-hand side, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores information like saved addresses, payment methods, and passwords. Next, click Google Password Manager. This is the built-in password vault where all of your saved login details are stored securely under your Google account. Once you're inside Password Manager, make sure you're on the Passwords tab. Here, you'll see a list of websites that have saved passwords attached to them. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific website you're looking for. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of saved logins and want to find one fast. When you spot the website entry, click on it. Chrome will then ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. On Windows, this usually means entering your Windows password or using whatever system authentication your computer requires. This step is important because it protects your saved passwords from being viewed by anyone else who uses your device. After you enter your Windows password and continue, the saved login details will appear. Now look for the eye icon next to the hidden password dots. Click that eye icon and Chrome will reveal the password so you can see it clearly. If needed, you can copy it and use it to sign in somewhere else, or save it in a more secure password manager. And that's it. You've now learned how to find forgotten passwords in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is one of the fastest ways to recover a login you thought was lost, and it can save you a lot of time when you need access to an account quickly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.